Konnichiwa, language enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into essential Japanese verbs with Genrise Language Training. Let's dive in. First up, let's tackle the verb suru, which means to do in Japanese. Next, we have iku, meaning to go. An example would be tomodachi to koen ni ikimasu, which means I am going to the park with friends. Moving on, we have kuru, meaning to come. For instance, ashita tomodachi ga ie ni kimasu means my friend is coming to my house tomorrow. And let's not forget tabaru, meaning to eat. You could say asagohan o tabemasu, which means I eat breakfast. Practice makes perfect. Repeat after me: suru, shinku, lairu, shibiru. There you have it, verb enthusiasts, essential Japanese verbs to elevate your language skills. For more immersive learning experiences, check out Genrise Language Training. Sayonara.